My dear students, today we'll be doing a numerical which is based on fund-based accounting. So I have chosen this question number 4 for you from NCERT's book. So let us read question number 4 first. Following is the information given in respect of certain items of sports club. Show this item in the income and expenditure account and balance sheet of the club. So you need to show these items in the balance sheet or in income and expenditure account. So let us see what is given to you. Sports fund 35,000, sports fund investment 35,000. So it means we are required to do fund based accounting here. Interest on sports fund investment 4,000, donation for sports fund 15,000, sports prizes awarded. So this is an expense related to sports fund 10,000. Expenses on sports event are 4,000. Then journal fund is given to you. What is the other name for journal fund? Capital fund or unrestricted fund. This is restricted. Sports fund is restricted because in this case we cannot use this for any other purpose, but journal fund or capital fund is unrestricted fund. So journal fund investment is given to us 80,000, interest on journal fund investment 8,000. So you are required to show these items in income and expenditure and the balance sheet. So you know that whenever we are doing fund theory, fund has to be shown in the balance sheet, and especially when you are showing specific fund, it has to be shown in the balance sheet. So I am preparing a balance sheet for the year ended 31st March 2016. So if the initial balance of sports fund is given to us, initial balance of sports fund is 35,000. You can write the initial balance of sports fund. So sports fund initial balance in the inner column 35,000. Then they have given us sports fund investment. Sports fund investment is 35,000. Here I want to make this point very clear to you that whenever you are buying investment, this is not going to affect our fund. Because what is the journal entry? If you go by journal entry for receiving fund will be bank account debit to sports fund, and when you purchase investment, this will be sports fund investment account debit to bank. So your bank account will be affected. So we are not supposed to show a bank account here. Otherwise, if you were supposed to make the full balance sheet, then investment increase and bank balance decrease because of this investment. Now what is the next item given to us? Next item is interest on sports fund. So whatever interest you are having, whatever income you are having, that will be added to sports fund. So interest on sports fund, it is given to us as 4,000. What else will be added? Donation for sports fund. This will be added. Donation for further donation. This is opening balance, and this is income from investment. Then donation for sports fund. How much donation is given to us? It is 15,000. This will also be added to the fund. After that, firm has awarded sports prizes. Sports prizes awarded, and the amount of sports prizes awarded are 10,000. So this will be deducted from the fund, because basically the purpose of creating this fund is so that you will be able to meet all the expenses related to sports fund. And expenses on, so this is, we are deducting this expenses on sports event. This will also be deducted. This is 4,000. So how much will be showing in the balance sheet? This is my liability side. Amount. This is assets and amount. So how much will be showing in the outer column? The fund, sports fund, at the end of the year will be 35,000 plus 4,000, 39,000 plus 15,000 will be 54,000. From that you will be deducting 14,000. So you will be getting the balance of sports fund as 40,000. Now what else you are required to give? See, you are given general fund also, and along with general fund investment, interest on general fund investment is also given to you. This I told you, whenever you are having income from general fund. So this general fund is your capital fund. So general fund will be writing here, it's a capital fund. So general fund which is given to us is 80,000. And we are having general fund investment also. General fund investment, it will be shown here with the same amount. It can be less than that also. And what else is given to you? Interest on general fund investment is given to you. So now here, this is very important element. Whenever interest on general fund is given to you, you are not supposed to add that in the general fund. It will go to the income side of income and expenditure. So after that, we will be preparing, after showing the details in the balance sheet. So we will not be showing interest on general fund investment in the balance sheet. So I can write a note here, interest on or income from, because this is an income, interest from general fund investment will be credited to income and expenditure account, and not to be added here. Why? What is the main purpose? Because whatever interest you are having through sports fund, this is a specific fund or restricted fund. So the income will be added to this fund. So our fund will increase because of this income. But general fund, it has no purpose. It can be used for any of the purpose which management thinks suitable. So here general fund, income from general fund or interest on general fund investment will be credited to income and expenditure, but income from specific fund will be added to the fund only. So this is very important point. So I will be making income and expenditure of one line here just to show you how the income will appear. So this is my expenditure side and income side. So I will be showing interest on general fund investment as an income on the credit side of this account. So this is 8,000. Yes. So I hope till this point it must be clear to you the treatment of difference between income of general fund and income of specific fund. I repeat, income of specific fund will be added in the fund, that specific fund only, but income from general fund will not be added here. It will be shown in income and expenditure account. Now let us do one more numerical. This is question number 5, and we will be doing B part of this question number 5. This is also based on fund based accounting. So let us read this B part. This I will be doing later on because I have not taught you the treatment of capital fund, treatment of non-restricted fund. Under non-restricted fund, this is the capital nature fund. So tournament fund is given to you in the B part. tournament fund is given to you as 10,700. Then balance on 1/4/2016. So this is opening balance. Subscription for tournament fund received during the year is 65,800. Expenditure incurred during the year on conducting tournaments is 72,400. So this subscription will be added and expenditure will be deducted. So let us see how this is to be shown in the balance sheet. In the balance sheet, on liability side, so I am showing you only liability side. So tournament fund is given to us as opening balance. Opening balance means on 1/4/2016 it is given to us, and this balance sheet is prepared on 31st March 2017. So opening balance of tournament fund is 10,700, and during the year we received subscription. This is specific subscription. This is not a journal subscription, because if it is a journal subscription, then in that case it will be revenue income. But specific subscription, like this is written here, subscription for tournament fund received during the year. So this is the specific subscription. This is 65,800. So the total fund is now 76,500. So from that you will deduct tournament expenses incurred for conducting tournament. So expenses are 72,400. So the net balance of tournament fund will be 4,100. And in the C part, it is given to you as life membership fee received. So you know that life membership fee is capitalized, so it will be shown like that only, life membership fee in the balance sheet. So I am showing this in the balance sheet. It will be added to the capital fund. So this is how it is to be treated. So I hope the treatment of the specific fund and the difference between income from journal fund and income from sports funds or specific fund must be clear to you through these two questions. So we'll be doing few more questions in the next lectures.